This is a short instructional video on how to use your new coffee roaster control. After plugging the unit in, you can simply turn on unit power here in the upper left-hand corner, and you'll see the electronic controllers power up. The unit on the left is the temperature control in degrees Fahrenheit, and by using these up and down orange buttons, you can change the set point of whatever roast temperature you want to achieve. And over on the timer, you can use the up and down buttons to change the cycle time. You can press mode when you're complete changing that, and it will update that top. The top numbers on both controllers are the actual value. The bottom numbers are your set point. So we'll go ahead and set it for a 2-minute cycle. We won't develop much temperature here, but you'll see the action of the unit. As long as the system is switched into auto, then everything will happen automatically. So we'll go ahead and we'll press the cycle start button, and you can see the drum rotating. You can see the thermocouple plugged in through the side. That measures the temperature inside the roasting bin. And we'll go ahead and let it run down. We've gone ahead and let some time elapse off of the timer, and we're under a minute now. You'll see on the front controls there is a cycle complete buzzer, and it has a screw in the front. You can adjust that screw to try and tone down the buzzer. You can set that anywhere you want. The cycle reset, I'll show you how that works here when the cycle is done. And these buttons here I'll explain. Basically auto manual. Auto's completely automatic cycle. Manual, you can run the motor and the heater independently, and at any time you can go ahead and turn on the light, and that activates those halogen lights on the inside. So there's the buzzer. The cycle is complete, and see if I can change that, and you can change the sound of that by changing that screw. And you press cycle reset, and the cycle is reset, and you're ready to go again. When you're ready to take the drum out, make sure that you remove the thermocouple. If you don't, the drum will not come out. So you just pull it all the way out, set it off to the side, open up the roaster, and now you can go ahead and press the drum out. And that takes care of the operation of the unit. Once you put the drum back in and you close the unit up, you can go ahead and put the thermocouple back in. Make sure it slides in nice and easy and gets inside the roaster. You see it's not sticking down anywhere there. And also on the inside of the cabinet, if you look, there's all of your electronics. There is a spare fuse right here on the bottom. This is your fuse holder. So if something should jam up and you blow a fuse, make sure you unplug the unit, and then you can just go ahead and flip this fuse holder out and replace the fuse if you need to. It should not happen. This is the power controller, and then you have control relays in here that do the actual functionality. All of the switches are located there in the buzzer. So we'll go ahead and close that back up. And there you go. That's what it takes to run the roaster. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Thanks.